Hello guys, we are Foodies in Moog.
So we are here to thank you all for showering so much love and support for past 1 year.
As we are completing 1 year today, and on top of that we have crossed 5,000 followers mark. So it is really an amazing day for us, and we just wanted to do this to thank you all. We really get lot of DMs and lot of people message us appreciating the work we do, because they really like what we post, and because they are always what we do is always genuine.
And especially that filter which we did, Viva Goa Challenge, that got such a great response. We are so happy.
Yeah, we remember the efforts which we had to put to do that filter. It was not easy. We literally had to break our heads for so long time, and it was taking a very long time to make. And there were a lot of doubts. We didn't know how it will work. If there was any bug, we tried to test it as much as possible.
But it was very fun while making it. We really enjoyed it. So when people started posting those videos and tagging us, they even DM'd us saying that they really enjoyed using the filter. So that was all worth it.
It was used by more than 1.5 lakhs people. Meaning even now people use it. So it is an amazing thing for us to feel, and to know that our followers love what we are doing. So we are really thankful to all of you. So we remember how it all started. So we are together since last 9 years, and very wonderful 9 years. So in college it was all goody, but after college, if we had to meet, it was only possible on weekend. So obviously we couldn't meet here and there. We have to go to some of the other places to spend some time. So that's how we started exploring places. We started going to new places which we hadn't been before. And
So I remember his friends used to call him so much to ask about different places, and even my friends used to ask me about places and where to spend their weekends. So and after that they even started insisting to start a page on Instagram.
so what we were doing was seems like it was very helpful, meaning it was our passion. The food is our passion. So we used to love helping people. If anyone used to ask us anything, we used to definitely tell us whatever we know. So we had lot of content, lot of photos, because she loves clicking photos of the
I
food.
used to love clicking pictures of the food so much. I don't know why I used to click, but I used to click, and I had all the content over so many years.
And I remember that time I used to hate waiting. I think hot food used to come, and she used to just like wait, and I'm like, "Kidhe challa?" But now, when we started this, what all the contents which we had, that is what was most useful. We really appreciate all the love and support which people give us, and even the fellow bloggers, the support and appreciation which they give us is immense, and that is what we are here to tell you.
So keep loving us, and we promise to continue with whatever we are doing the best.
Yeah, and if you want to know anything more about us, you can anytime DM us. Keep sharing our posts, keep appreciating us, keep commenting. With lots of more from Foodies in Moog.